there and welcome back to another video on my channel. How are we doing today? And so the day has finally arrived. It's Easter Sunday. So today I'm going to be pulling all together all the last 6 videos that I've done towards the countdown of Easter. And I have laid out all my items on my Easter table, including all the items from my Easter haul all the way through to my orangeade that I did yesterday. I hope you agree that it looks great, so let's go and happy Easter!